tomorrow we get on the cruise ship. Yay! This is my outfit for the first night that we have on our vacation. We are here in Sandals. We are going to go to hopefully Bombay's and Butch. This is a dress from H&M, and these shoes I stole from my mom's closet. So really liking this outfit. It's fun, and they said it was resort evening attire. Not quite sure what that is, so chose something that's not super formal and not super casual either. When we made it to Butch's for our appetizers, I ordered the wild mushroom soup with micro herbs, and my mom ordered the island pumpkin soup with allspice, creme fraiche, and garlic croutons. For our entree, I ordered the eggplant and goat cheese cannellini, while my mom got the catch of the day, and it was so delicious. And for dessert, we had a super tasty carrot cake. We just got done eating at Butch's, and we went to Bombay twice to try to get samosas, but because of our reservation at Butch's, we weren't able to get samosas and just this whole thing. So we asked our butler to get us veggie samosas, chicken samosas, and some chicken tikka. And by the time we got done eating at Butch's, he called to say he's at our door ready for us to get our food from Bombay. So it was perfect timing because we were almost to our room. So we get to our room and there's an array of food for us. That was quite nice. Good morning. It is day 2 of our trip and we will be heading to Seabourn today. So it's embarkation day of our cruise, but we're gonna enjoy this resort for as long as we can before we have to go. Most likely we are going to check our luggage here at the hotel and still enjoy it while we can, because we don't have to be at Seabourn until later this evening, and we woke up at 6 this morning, so have a lot of food to eat before we head out. Bridge to head back to the hotel room. There's the Sandals sign behind me, and I'm gonna go to the room so I can get my mom, and then we can go get some breakfast. We want to go to this French restaurant, so it's on a rooftop and it's supposed to look really nice, so really excited. I know I say that a lot, but I am really excited. About to get lunch because so far this morning we've gone swimming, we've gone to the ocean, and we went to La Parisienne, the French rooftop breakfast area right next to the Sky Bar. And we're gonna get I think I'm gonna get a burger because I do like burgers, and we'll head to our cruise, which obviously you've heard me say a million times. I'm super excited to get on this cruise. Hey lovelies, it's the end of the day for our embarkation day on the Seabourn Odyssey. So far it's been a great day. Unfortunately, I think jet lag is catching up to me, so I am really tired. But what we've done so far is ordered room service. We also went to dinner, and on Seabourn it's kind of anytime dining. So if you're used to cruising where you have scheduled dining and anytime dining, here they do anytime dining, where you walk up to the host and they ask you, do you want to sit by yourselves or do you want to sit with other people? Today we were really tired, so we didn't want to sit with anybody else, so my mom and I sat by ourselves. Tomorrow we have some exciting things happening because it is Seabourn's signature beach barbecue and caviar in the surf. Every time I have watched a video review about Seabourn, I have heard about this caviar in the surf and their beach barbecue. It's supposed to have a lot of delicious food, so I'm really excited to head out there. Luckily, nothing really starts until noon, so I can take the time and ease out of bed in the morning and I don't have to wake up early like I did this morning. I am gonna put on my robe, pour myself a nice cup of hot cocoa. Now it's time to just relax. Make sure to check out day 2 of our cruise because this is gonna be just so much fun, I can already tell. They make really good hot chocolate.
Oh good. It's still hot?
Yeah, I know, I ordered it a while ago. The ship just turned off. What just happened?